Question number 25. A car engine has a useful power output of 20 kilowatt. So this power is given P0, efficiency of 50%, 0.5. The engine consumes 1 into 10 power 5 minus 5 meter cube of per meter cube of fuel every second. Meter cube every second, which means what? Volume per time, volume per second is given. What is the energy density of the fuel? Energy density, what is energy density? Energy per unit volume is be asked. Okay, so what we do is, first when power output and efficiency is given, find out what is input efficiency, input value. So how do I find? So power output by power input is equal to efficiency, which is 0.5. So power input should be equal to power output divided by 0.5. What is power input output? 20 kilowatt. 20 kilowatt 0. Divided by 0.5 should now be equal to 40 kilowatt. Okay, this is your input power. Then what is that you need? Energy density. Energy density, how do I find energy density over here? So let us find out energy density like this. Let me remove this, put it over here. So energy density, what is energy density? Energy density is given by energy per unit volume. Okay, now energy, okay, so what I will do is I will divide by time on both the sides. Energy divided by time divided by volume divided by time. Now, volume divided by time is already here. Where is it? It's already given here, right? 1 into 10 power minus 5. So I'll get this energy by time. What is energy by time? Power, which is which power? Input power. So fuel, right? Fuel makes the automobile to run. Okay, so therefore input power you already found out now. It should be 40 kilowatt divided by the meter cube per second, volume per time is already given here, 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. When I do this, what is it I should get? I will get the answer here as 40 kilo is 10 cube, 10 power minus 5 is 10 power plus 5. When it goes upwards, this should be 4 into 10 to the power of 9 energy density. Okay, 4 into 10 power 9 joules per meter cube. Okay, now let us look at which is the right answer here. This should be 4 into 10 cube. This answer 4 into 10 power 9. 4 into 10 power 9 mega giga. This is giga. So answer is D over here.